Dreams have always been one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind. Long before modern psychology and brain science, ancient humans believed that dreams were not random. They believed dreams carried messages, messages from gods, messages from the soul, messages about the future. In ancient Egypt, dreams were considered sacred. People believed that gods spoke to humans while they slept. Dream interpreters were respected figures, and temples were built specifically for dream interpretation. Ancient Egyptians wrote dream meanings on papyrus scrolls. They believed certain dreams predicted good fortune, while others warned of danger. In ancient Greece, philosophers believed dreams came from a deeper part of the mind. Hippocrates believed dreams reflected the health of the body. If someone dreamed of fire or storms, it was believed that illness was coming. Aristotle believed dreams were connected to human thoughts and daily experiences, an idea surprisingly close to modern science. In ancient China, dreams were believed to be journeys of the soul. They thought the soul left the body during sleep and traveled to other worlds. Chinese medicine believed dreams revealed imbalance in the body. Too much fire caused violent dreams. Too much water caused deep emotional dreams. In Islamic history, dreams held a special place. True dreams were considered a form of guidance. Scholars classified dreams into three types: true dreams, confusing dreams, and thoughts of the mind. Dream interpretation became a respected science. Many scholars wrote books explaining dream symbols. In ancient India, dreams were connected to karma and past lives. They believed dreams reflected spiritual progress and inner awareness. Across all civilizations, one belief remained the same: dreams were meaningful. Today, modern science explains dreams as brain activity, memory processing, and emotional regulation. But the questions remain. Why do dreams feel so real? Why do some dreams repeat? Why do certain dreams stay with us forever? Perhaps ancient humans were not entirely wrong. They may not have had technology, but they understood something deeper. Dreams remind us that the human mind is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. History does not only tell us what people believed, it shows us how humans tried to understand themselves. And maybe we are still dreaming for the same reason ancient humans once did.